Hi guys, good morning. Yesterday we have seen 30 questions and their answer and rationale for the options. Today we will see the another 30 questions. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Nurse Born to Serve. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell button for more videos notification. The 31st question is the condition in which the bleeding is so irregular and excessive that the menses cannot be identified is known as. Right option is D, manometralgia. In manometralgia, the bleeding is so irregular and excessive that the menses cannot be identified. Option A is wrong because menorrhagia is excessive bleeding or heavy bleeding. Option B is wrong. Metrorrhagia is bleeding occur between the periods. Option C, polymenorrhea is also wrong answer because polymenorrhea is menstrual cycle occur shorter than 21 days cycle. That means normal menstrual cycle long up to 24 to 38 days cycle. So polymenorrhea also wrong answer. Question number 32, Robert sign is found in. Robert sign is found in. Right option is C, IUFD. Right option is C, IUFD, intrauterine fetal death. Option A, placenta previa is wrong answer because placenta previa is placenta attached near or over the cervical opening. Placenta attached near or over the cervical opening. Option B, abruptio placenta is wrong answer because abruptio placenta is premature separation of the placenta before childbirth. Premature separation of the placenta before childbirth. Option D is hydatidiform mole is also wrong answer because hydatidiform mole is benign gestational trophoblastic disease. Benign gestational trophoblastic disease. In gestational trophoblastic disease, only hydatidiform mole is benign, others tumors are malignant. Question number 33, internal rotation of the fetal head occurs during the labor act. It is a direct question, we should keep in mind. Internal rotation of the fetal head occurs during labor act. It's very important question also. Right answer is C, outlet. Right option is C, outlet. The fertilization of two ova released in different menstrual cycle is known as. In here we have keep in mind two ova released in different menstrual cycle is known as. Right option is A, superfetation. Right option is A, superfetation. Superfecundation is superfecundation. Option B, superfecundation is two ova released in same menstrual cycle in different sexual mating. Superfecundation is two ova released in same menstrual cycle in different sexual mating. Option C is also wrong answer. Fetus papyraceus is compressed fetus like mummy image which is retained in the uterus after intrauterine death. Fetus papyraceus is compressed fetus like mummy image which is retained in uterus after intrauterine death. Question number 35, during phase presentation attitude of head will be. During phase presentation attitude of head will be. In here attitude means posture or position. Position of the head will be. Right option is C, complete extension. Complete extension. In partial extension, brow is a presenting part. In partial extension, brow is a presenting part. In deflection, also brow is a presenting part. Option D, flexion. In flexion, vertex is a presenting part. So right option is C, complete extension. Complete extension. Question number 36, what is the full form of HELLP syndrome? What is the full form of HELLP syndrome? Actually here one L is missing. HELLP actually should be there. So HELP syndrome is right option is D, hemolysis, elevated liver enzyme and low platelet level. Hemolysis, elevated liver enzyme and low platelet level. Here we have to keep in mind elevated liver enzyme and low platelet level. So others are not related to the HELP syndrome. Question number 37. What is the antidote of magnesium sulfate? What is the antidote of magnesium sulfate? Right option is B, calcium gluconate. Right option is B, calcium gluconate. Protamine sulfate is an antidote for heparin. Protamine sulfate is antidote for heparin. Calcium carbonate is used for low level calcium in the blood in case of osteoporosis, osteomalacia, rickets and hypoparathyroidism. You should be keep in mind calcium carbonate used in the osteoporosis, osteomalacia, rickets and hypothyroidism. Sodium bicarbonate. Next option is option D, sodium bicarbonate. You all are very well know about sodium bicarbonate. It is used in the acidosis. It is used in the acidosis. Question number 38. A suspected pregnancy is confirmed by presence of HCG in urine or serum after how many days of missed period? It is a direct question. Please keep in mind after missing period, presence of HCG in urine or serum after at least 6 to 8 days. At least 6 to 8 days. Right option is A, at least 6 to 8 days. Question number 39. During delivery on vaginal examination, palpation of the fetal blood vessel lies in front of the fetal presenting part through the intact membrane is known as. Right option is D, vasoprevia, because presenting palpation of the fetal blood vessel lies in front of the fetal presenting part. Vasoprevia is a right answer. First option, option A, cord prolapse. Cord prolapse is umbilical cord slip down into the vagina. Umbilical cord slip down into the vagina. In that case, rupture of the membrane present. In that case, rupture of the membrane present. Next option is cord presentation. In cord presentation, membrane is intact. Membrane is intact and cord is the presenting part. Option C, placenta previa. In placenta previa, placenta attached near or over the cervical os. Placenta attached near or over the cervical os. Hi guys, any doubt you can ask me in the comment box, or any queries you can ask in comment box. Question number 40. A nurse is caring for the client who has spontaneous abortion. What was the complication of the nurse should assess? In abortion, nurse should assess the what complication? It is a direct question. Right option is A, hemorrhage. Right option is A, hemorrhage. Option B, dehydration is later complication. Option C, subinvolution is also later complication. Option D, hypertension is not related to the abortion. Usually hypotension will be occur. Question number 41. The condition in which the leading edge of the uterus prolapse extends from the 1 centimeter above to 1 centimeter below the hymenal ring is staged as. Right option is B, stage 2. It is also stage 2. The uterus is present at the level of opening of the vagina. In stage 2, the uterus present in opening of the vagina. So it's up to level of 1 centimeter above to 1 centimeter below the hymenal ring, up to the level of opening of the vagina. Option A, stage 1. In stage 1, uterus present in half of the vagina. Uterus present in half of the vagina. Option C, stage 3. In stage 3, uterus is out from the vagina. Uterus is out from the vagina. Stage 4, complete prolapse of the uterus. Stage 4 is complete prolapse of the uterus. Question number 42. The delivery of the aftercoming head in breech presentation, specially designed forceps is used. It is a direct question, you should keep in mind. In delivery of aftercoming head in breech presentation, specially designed for forceps is used. Right option is B, Piper forceps. Right option is B, Piper forceps. Option A, Das forceps. Option A, Das forceps is used in small pelvis with low birth weight babies. Small pelvis in low birth weight babies. Option C, Kielan's forceps. Kielan's forceps is a curved outlet forceps for rotation of the fetal head in vertex presentation. Next option is option D, Wrigley's forceps. Wrigley's forceps also outlet forceps. It is used for the surgery in when the manual traction is very difficult. When the manual traction is very difficult. Question number 43. The level of immunity that is present in the population against an infectious agent is known as. Right option is D, herd immunity. Right option is D, herd immunity. Option A, innate immunity. Innate immunity is nothing but it is immediately or within hour of antigen appears in the body like skin, chemical in the body or immune system. Next option is acquired immunity. Acquired immunity, developing immunity in our lifetime through the infection or vaccination. Developing immunity in our body lifetime through infection or vaccination. Next option is passive immunity. Passive immunity is defined as immunity from the mother to baby. It's a best example of mother to baby immunity. Question number 44. The rashes of the chicken pox first appear on. The rashes of the chicken pox first appear on. Option A, legs. It is a wrong answer. Option B, arm. It is a wrong answer. Option C, chest is a right answer. But option D is a right answer because trunk is available. Trunk means chest, abdomen and back. So first appears of races in the chicken pox, chest, abdomen and back of the body. Question number 45. The full form of AEFI. The full form of AEFI is, right option is B, adverse event following immunization. Adverse event following immunization. It is not effect in the after immunization. So adverse events following immunization. Question number 46. Commonest cause of infant mortality rate is in India. It is a direct question, very important question also. Right option is D, prematurity. Prematurity. Option A, respiratory infection. Option B, congenital malformation. Option C, dehydration is not a common cause of infant mortality rate in India. Question number 47. Polio is primary infection of. Polio is primary infection of. Right option is gastrointestinal system or alimentary tract. Gastrointestinal system or alimentary tract. Polio is affect central nervous system but primary infection of gastrointestinal system. Question number 48. Dose of DMPA is. Dose of DMPA is. Right option is C, 150 mg after every 3 months. 150 mg after every 3 months. DMPA is metroxyprogesterone acetate. Metroxyprogesterone acetate. Question number 49. The course for community health officer is. The course for community health officer is. Right option is D, BPCCHN. BPCCHN means Bridge Program of Certificate in Community Health Nursing. Bridge program on Certificate in Community Health Nursing. So other courses are not eligibility for community health officer. Question number 50. Vaccine against rotavirus is given in which route? Vaccine against rotavirus is given in which route? Right option is A, oral. Right option is A, oral, because rotavirus is mode of infection is fecal-oral route, so that we can give we will give rotavirus in oral route, and oral polio also given in oral route. Question number 51. Gold standard in confirming the diagnosis of malaria. Gold standard in confirming the diagnosis of malaria. It is a very important question, more frequently asking this question. Right answer is B, peripheral smear examination. Peripheral smear examination is gold standard examination for confirming case of malaria. Polymerase chain reaction PCR is not recommended. Immunochromatopic test is not recommended, and option D is also not recommended. Question number 52. The constant presence of disease within geographic area is known as. The constant presence of disease within geographic area is known as. Right option is endemic. Right option is C, endemic. Epidemic is in short period within given population spreading of disease. Epidemic is in short period within given population spreading of disease, like meningococcal common cold. Option B, sporotic. Sporotic is an occasional or rare or scattered disease without geographical population. That will be not included any population. It will be very rare case or scattered or occasional case, like rabies, tetanus and plague. Pandemic is disease spread over the country or whole world. Pandemic is disease spread over the whole world or country, like COVID-19. 53. According to the CRS registration of the birth within. According to the CRS registration of the birth within. Right option is D, 21 days. CRS means civil registration system. CRS means civil registration system. In civil registration system, birth and death both should be registered within 21 days. Birth and death both are registered should be within 21 days. Question number 54. The term refers to all current cases existing at the point of period of time in given population is known as. Right option is B, prevalence. Prevalence is refers to cases existing at the point or period of the time in given population. Option A, incidence. Incidence is the number of individual develops disease of symptoms in particular period. Incidence means individual develops disease, number of individual develop disease of symptoms in particular period. Surveillance is option C. Surveillance is closely watching the patient to find out any early signs and symptoms. Closely watching the patient to find out any early signs and symptoms. Question number 55. Presbyopia is treated by. Right option is A, convex lens. Right option is A, convex lens. Convex lens also used in the long-sightedness or hypermetropia. Long-sightedness or hypermetropia. Concave lens, option B, concave lens used in the nearsightedness or myopia. Nearsightedness or myopia. Question number 56. In which of the following condition is an early symptom commonly seen in the myasthenia gravis? It is a very important question. More frequently they are asking in this question, so should be keep in mind. In myasthenia gravis, the first symptoms is ptosis, drooping of eyelid, ptosis. Respiratory, option A, respiratory distress, option C, paresthesia of lower extremities, option D, dysphagia. All are later complication of the myasthenia gravis. Question number 57. The correct position to palpate apical pulse is at the right option is B, left mid clavicular line at the level of fifth intercostal space. Left clavicular line at the level of fifth intercostal space. Apical pulse always should be palpated in fifth intercostal space. So that left mid clavicular line at the level of fifth intercostal space. Below the nipple, you should be keep for idea below the nipple. Question number 58. The most common cause of myocardial infarction is. The most common cause of myocardial infarction is. Right option is C, thrombus formation in the coronary artery. Right option is C, thrombus or clot formation in the coronary artery. Option A, aneurysm. Aneurysm is a vasodilatation. It is not a common cause of myocardial infarction. And occlusion is a blocking of coronary artery by the embolus is not common cause. And vasospasm is vasoconstriction is not a common cause of myocardial infarction. Question number 59. Which of the following arterial gas value is consistent with the metabolic acidosis? Which of the following arterial gas value is consistent with the metabolic acidosis? In metabolic acidosis, right option is C, bicarbonate 15 equivalent per liter is a consistent value. pH 7.35 is a neutral value. Option B, PaCO2 is related to the respiratory acidosis or alkalosis. Option D is PaO2 95 mmHg is a normal, so that bicarbonate HCO3 is related to metabolic acidosis. Question number 60. A client arrives from the surgery to the post anesthesia care unit. The nurse should complete which of the following respiratory assessment first? Nurse should be respiratory assessment first is airflow entry. Right option is airflow entry. So breath sound, respiratory rate, oxygen saturation, it's a secondary assessment of nurse in ICU or immediate post-operative post anesthetic care unit. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell button and like and give comments in comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.